In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust an employee's annual, sick, and other leave balances. This is really useful if you're correcting an error, bringing in opening balances from another system, or making manual adjustments after a change in employment conditions. First, make sure you're logged into your payroll system with the correct permissions to view and edit employee leave. From your main dashboard, look for the payroll menu. This is usually along the top navigation bar. Click on Payroll to open the Payroll section, which is where all employee pay and leave information is managed. Once you're in the Payroll area, find and click on the Employees option. This will take you to a list of all employees set up in your payroll. If you have a large number of staff, you can use the search box or filters to quickly find the person whose leave balances you need to adjust. Next, select the employee you want to edit. Click on their name to open their employee profile. You should now see several tabs or sections related to their details, such as employment, pay, and leave. Go ahead and click on the Leave tab. This is where you can see the breakdown of all leave types assigned to that employee, including annual leave, sick leave, and any other leave categories that have been set up in your system. Take a moment to review the current balances so you understand what you're about to change. Within this Leave tab, you'll see numbers showing the current balance for each leave type. These are usually displayed as hours or days. To adjust a balance, click directly on the number under the relevant leave type. This will open an editable field or a small window where you can enter the new balance. Carefully type in the correct leave balance for that specific leave type. Double check that you're adjusting the right category, especially if the employee has multiple types of leave. If your system allows it, you might also see a place to add a note or reason for the adjustment. It's a good idea to use that so you or others can understand the change later. When you're happy with the new figures, click on Save. Wait a moment for the page to refresh and confirm that the updated leave balance is now showing correctly. If you need to change another leave type for the same employee, repeat the process for each balance, making sure to save after each adjustment. Once everything looks right, you're done adjusting that employee's leave balance.